So here we are done with the mirrors topic, and let's move to the next topic, that is lens. Now what is lens exactly? These are the transparent glass bound by two spherical surface. Now lenses are also known as spherical lenses. Now why they are known as spherical lenses? As I have discussed in mirrors, like the mirror is a part of the sphere. Here also the lenses, as they are bound by two surfaces or two transparent glasses, both the glasses are the part of the sphere, right? So that is how we can say that the lenses are also spherical lenses. Now why they are transparent? Because so that the light can pass through them completely and the image formation will take place properly. That we are going to understand in a further slide, like how in the case of lenses image formation takes place. Like we have seen in the case of mirrors, the images are formed by the reflection, but in case of lenses, image is formed by other property of light, that is refraction, that we are going to understand in a further slides. Now what are the types of lenses? Lenses are basically of two types, concave and convex. Now what is concave lens? What is convex lens? Just understand here. Now first of all, convex. Now convex lens is like this. So it is bulge from the in between, from the center, and from at the ends it is narrow. Like here from the ends it is narrow, and in between the center it is bulged. Now because of this, these are known as convex lenses. Now here also just see, as I have discussed in the first point, that these are transparent glasses bound by two spherical surfaces. Now what is the meaning of two spherical surfaces here? Now if I see this side, now if I just make or extend this side, so this is one sphere, and if I extend this side, this is the another sphere. So that's why the point here shows that transparent glass. Why transparent? Because all the light rays can pass through it, bound by two spherical surfaces. One is this and the other one is this. So because of this, the lenses are known as transparent glasses bound by two spherical surfaces. And the one which is bulged from the center and narrow from the ends, this is convex lens. And what about concave lens? In the case of concave lens, it is like this. So it is just opposite of the convex, that is from the edges it is broad, and in the center it is narrow. So that is how the convex and concave lenses are formed. Now here also you can see that if you extend the surface, this is one sphere, and if you extend this also, this is the another part of the sphere. So because of this, you can clearly say that the lenses are transparent glass bounded by two spherical surfaces. So one is this and the other one is this, right? So because of this, the lenses are of two types, convex and concave. Now again, if we describe or classify the lenses, they are again classified as converging lens and diverging lens. Converging lens is our convex lens and diverging lens is our concave lens. Now to understand this concept, what is the other concept that you need to understand is the another property of light, that is refraction. Now in our previous slides, we have seen that what is reflection? Reflection is just bouncing back of light. But what is refraction? Refraction is when we have two mediums, like different medium. Medium one is different from the another, like the density of the particles that are present in one medium is different from the another. Now let's see here, like we take one medium as air. So in air, how particles are present? They are present loosely. We can clearly see. Now let's take the another medium as glass, right? So in glass, how the particles are arranged very closely, and because of that we are able to see glass. Now this is medium 1, that is our air, and glasses are medium 2. Now if you want to understand how the image is formed by the lens, this is a very important topic that you need to understand. This concept is very important. Now what happens when light travels from one medium to another? What it do is it bends. So that is reflection. The bending of light, that is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. That is, our mediums should be different. That is, one medium should have a different density of particles, and the another medium should have different density of particles. Then only light do the bending. And this bending property of light when it passes from one medium to another is refraction. And because of this, images are formed in the case of lenses. Now let's understand why convex lenses are known as converging lenses. Now see here, as I've already discussed, that refraction would take place. Now here we have the convex lens. When the light rays passes from here to the other side of the lens, that is, this is our medium 1, which is air, and lens which is made of glass is our medium 2, and again here the other medium which is our medium 1, that is air. Now when the light rays passes from this lens like this, now when these rays are passing through the lens, what they do is, when they are going to the other side, they are just bending, and because of this bending, what they are doing is they are just meeting at a point. What they are doing? They are meeting or converging or focusing on one point, and because of this, as the light rays which are passing through our convex lens are converging, or we can say that focusing on one point, because of this, the convex lens is known as converging lens. But in the case of concave lens, now why concave lens is known as diverging lens? What is the meaning of diverge here? You already know, diverge means to spread. Now what concave lens do is, now as the surface of the mirror of the lens here is curved out inward, what it do is, when the light rays passes through it, like the light rays are going, and what you need to do is you have to show the direction, that is a must. Now what it do is, light rays doesn't pass through it properly. What this lens do is, it spread the light rays backward. Now as it is diverging the light rays towards the other side, this type of lenses, which is our concave lens, and because of this, as it is diverging the light rays, this type of lenses are known as diverging lens. So if somewhere you found that you need to write about or discuss about diverging lens, that is nothing but our concave lens only, right? But in the case of converging, it is convex, as what convex lens do is, it do the focusing part, that is, it converge or meet all the light rays that are passing through it. It meets at a point or focus at the point, or we can say that it converges the light rays, and because of that, convex lens is known as converging lens. So that is how lens, on the base of how they refract the light rays, they are classified as converging and diverging.